What if I told you that the future of computing is already here? A super powerful technology that could revolutionize medicine, finance, and even artificial intelligence. It's called quantum computing, and trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. In this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible. Ready? Let's dive in. By the end of this video, you'll understand how quantum computers work, why they're so special, and how they could change the world. What is quantum computing? Let's start with something we all use: computers. Your phone, laptop, and even supercomputers all work the same way. They process information using tiny bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1. Just like a light switch, it's either on or off. But quantum computers, oh, they play by different rules. Instead of just 0 or 1, they use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. Sounds confusing? Don't worry, I'll explain it with a simple trick. Superposition, the magic of qubits. Imagine you're flipping a coin. A regular computer is like a coin that lands on either heads, 1, or tails, 0. But a quantum computer is like a coin spinning in the air. It's both heads and tails at the same time until you catch it. This is called superposition, and it allows quantum computers to do many calculations at once. Think of it like trying to open a treasure chest with 1000 different keys. A normal computer would try each key one by one. A quantum computer, it tries all 1000 keys at the same time. That's the power of quantum computing. Entanglement, the quantum connection. Now, here's where things get really weird. Entanglement. Imagine you have two magical dice. If you roll one and get a 6, the other dice, no matter how far away it is, also shows a 6 instantly. This means quantum computers can link their qubits in a way that allows them to work together instantly, making them super powerful. Scientists are still trying to fully understand why this happens. Einstein himself called it spooky action at a distance, but hey, it works. Why is quantum computing so powerful? A quantum computer is like a rocket ship compared to a regular car. While normal computers take years to solve complex problems, quantum computers could do them in minutes or even seconds. They're so powerful they could revolutionize medicine by designing new drugs, help scientists understand the universe, and even make artificial intelligence a million times smarter. But wait, does this mean your phone or laptop will be replaced by a quantum computer? Not so fast. Can you buy a quantum computer? Unlike laptops, quantum computers are huge and need to be kept super cold, colder than outer space. That's because qubits are very delicate and need the right conditions to work properly. So, no, you can't buy a quantum computer for gaming yet. But companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are working hard to make them more practical. In the future, quantum computers might solve problems we can't even imagine today. The future of quantum computing. Quantum computing is still in its early days, but its potential is huge. Imagine a world where diseases are cured faster, AI becomes super intelligent, and we can solve problems that today seem impossible. So, are you excited about the future of computing? If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind blowing tech topics. The future is quantum. Are you ready to explore it? Tell me in the comments, what's one thing you would do if you had a super powerful quantum computer? Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.